Hi everyone, so in this video we will discuss about introduction to SEO. So the SEO means the full form of the SEO is the search engine optimization. This will be the full form of the SEO, search engine optimization. So it is the practice of improving your website visibility and ranking on the search engine result page SERP. Essentially, it is about making your website more attractive to search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, so they rank it higher when users search for relevant topic or keyword. So what it's saying that, so it's mean SERP. There will be two terms, SERP and search engine. So we will discuss later SERP term, and now the search engine where we will search our query. That can be Google, it can be Bing, it can be Yahoo. So if we go to the Google, we create or click on the new tab and we search any query here. So this is the search engine, and we search for the digital marketing. We here search for digital marketing course. So we show the multiple results here, like the digital marketing course will be the keyword, and the number of the website is coming below. So this is all through the SEO. Like if we will do the good SEO of our website, so the website will rank higher on the keyword, right? So definition of SEO stand for the practice of improving your website visibility and ranking on the search engine, right? So this is the practice. So the second points come here, suppose if we are getting so visitors compared to the 1,000 visitors, okay, but these visitors are the genuine. If the visitor is genuine, so sales will be increased. If we are getting 1,000 visitors but not genuine, so the sales will be decreased. So focus on improving better quality of the visitors instead of quantity. We have to focus on the quality, okay, not on the quantity, okay. This is in the SEO there will be multiple activities we will perform, on page, off page, technical. So that we will discuss on the further stage. For now, the definition of SEO is the search engine optimization is the proper practice of improving your website visibility and ranking on the search engine result. So if you have any question related to this, you can ask in the comment section. We will definitely reply for that. Thank you.